Hello wonderful friends, you're highly welcome back to my channel. How are we doing this morning? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending where you are listening from. You're highly welcome back to my channel, okay? And I want to use medium to say thank you to my old and new subscribers. You guys are so wonderful. All right, also without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the video of the day. We're gonna discuss about this. This is Bryophyllum pinnatum. In Igbo language, we call it Odaupu. Some call it leaf of life, some call it miracle leaf of life. Okay, this is the leaf. This is the leaf. This is how it looks like. You can search out for it in on the internet, but I'm just wanna tell you some benefits of this leaf. So if you have it in your compound, congratulations, you have so many things. If you don't have it, please get it. If you can get just the leaf and just the leaf like this, plant it is to start growing within the period of 3-4 days. Okay, so first thing I want to share with us is how you can use this to make. Let's take for instance, you are owing somebody sincerely, you know that you don't have the money. If you have the money, please pay. If you have the money, pay the money. But if you don't have the money, but you are sure you don't have the money, and the person has been disgracing you, there's no problem. Look for this leaf. Okay, get this leaf for me. At the back of this leaf, you can use red pen or blue pen to write the name of the person and then bury it. And the time you cannot just pluck this leaf anytime you want. For you to perform that miracle, that ritual, and for it to work for you, you have to do it very early in the morning before 6 p.m. or at highest 5:30, 6 a.m., not p.m. Okay, a.m., very early in the morning. Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me, very early in the morning you got to do this. Okay, when you just write it, you bury it. Know fully well that you don't have the money, but if you have the money, don't try this. It's going to bounce back at you. Okay, so that is, by the way, then another way you can use this, you can use this to treat high BP. You can also, yeah, if you want to treat high BP, you take the 2 leaf and red onions, chew them together for a period of 3 days, and then go back for checkup. It doesn't have more side effect, but just that excuse me, you don't need to be chewing it every day for a period of 1 week. Please, you're gonna fall back to hypertension. Okay, so just 3 days you stop, wait small, you will start again to chew it. So that is that for high BP. Then another way, I made a video like few days ago about how you can use this for protection. You can check the link down there. Okay, yeah, try and watch the video. Then if you have a business or you're starting a new business, actually you want that business to flourish. Okay, get this for me, get the leaf for me. That day you are opening that business, you have to write at the back. Okay, right at the back, you want peace, you want progress. As soon as you are starting that business that day, or you can just write the amount you started with and tell the mother it, because you're going to bury it. You tell the mother it started with so amount of money, you cannot lose it. Use it. Get coins, or you can get um maize, corn, the one you know, or you can get corn ego ayoro. That is coins, the normal money, the coins one. Put them together, bury it. You can use a plastic jar to put it in there, and then plant it in front of your shop. If you watch so many shops today, you can see it there. You may not really know why it is there. You may not really know the reason why it is there. As long as you told the mother earth, this is what you did, and you want it to flourish, by God's grace, that business, no matter what the enemy will fight, it will never go down. Believe me, even when others will be complaining, you will never complain or lack customers to attend to. Okay, by God's grace, is going to work for you. Now another way you can use this for to win some court case, if you actually have a court case. Okay, these things, if you have faith, it will work for you. If you don't have faith, it won't work for you. And if you really want it to work for you but it's not working, tune in my next video. I will tell you what you can do so that all this natural herbal medicine will start working for you. Okay, all right. So another way you can use it to win court case, and then this leaf has do and don'ts. before I proceed, please, it's house do and don't. If you're a woman, you're menstruating, you don't have the right to touch this leaf. You don't have the right to go and plug this leaf. If you're a woman, you're menstruating, please don't ever touch it. If not, you the power in this leaf will definitely go away. Okay, it will definitely go away. Look at it. If you don't menstruate, don't touch it while menstruating. Don't pour anyhow something there while you're menstruating. Then if you're a man, please don't urinate on this. If you're a man, don't ever urinate. In fact, tell your household nobody should touch this leaf when you're not there. Don't pour any water you see, you just pour it there. Treat this leaf well if you really want to use it for medical all those things. Then for medically, okay, I said mention of court case. If you have court case, if you know you abide by the rules of this and you have court case, very early in the morning, go to this leaf. Go there, talk to the leaf, tell the leaf what you want. If you have a case, tell this leaf that you have a case and you want to win that case. At the end, pluck one and eat it. Go to the court case. You'll be marveled how things will turn around. And make sure you should be at the other side of the road. Like, you shouldn't be the one that is looking for trouble. You should be the one that are looking for your trouble, and you really want to win it. So don't look for trouble so it doesn't bounce back on you. All right, so that's it. And then another way you can use it is, if you have ear problem, you can just squeeze the leaf, use it to drop in your ear for at least morning and evening until the ear problem will just disappear. Any kind of ear problem, this thing is gonna take care of it. Okay, that's it. And then another health benefit of this leaf is for ulcer patients. Okay, it helps to treat ulcer very well. It's good in reducing the pain they attack from ulcer. So get this leaf. This leaf is very much, there are so many of them. Use it for protection, to sell markets. You can use it to win court case. If somebody is holding your belongings, you know too well that thing belongs to you, talk to this leaf to fight for you. This leaf is not your age mate, I'm telling you. This leaf, don't even joke with this leaf. Don't joke with this. Okay, you can do your 7 days prayer with this leaf. If you really want to, if you really want something, maybe you go in for an exam, you can do your fasting with this leaf. 7 days. You can do your midnight prayer for 7 days with this leaf. I tell you, it will start doing wonders. If you really want this leaf to work for you, before you plant it, you can do prayer on it. You can do midnight prayer. You can just drop it at the middle of your room and pray with it for good 7 days and then plant it. It's not going to die. Once you plant it, you'll be pouring water on it every morning. Believe me, anything you send this leaf to do for you, the thing didn't work for you, there is a problem somewhere. This is tested and trusted. There is no two ways about it. I'm telling you from experience. And that is, we are not stopping here for now. Now, for those that want to lose weight, you can as well do this. Just get 3 or 4 leaves, pour in one full whole of water, 1 cup, boil and drink. After 3 days, you start purging. Every kind of fats in your system will be touched. All of them will shake. You will start purging, and before you know it, you are losing up immediately. Okay, for those that want to lose weight. Okay, all right, so that is that for now. I'm gonna stop here. Then in my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can use egg cleansing. Well, I just want to take it step by step. We're gonna start egg cleansing by tomorrow. Okay, so endeavor to check it out so you don't miss the egg cleansing. You can't afford to miss the egg cleansing, please. It's very much important. It may be one of the reasons why herbal work doesn't work for you, herbal medicine doesn't work for you. Okay, so check it out on how to go about egg cleansing, and believe me, you will regret it. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. So my darling friends, I think I'm gonna stop here for now. My next video, I'm gonna show you about egg cleansing, how to read egg cleansing, how to use egg to remove some negativities and all the rest of it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with us till now, and then thank you for believing in us. And thank you to my wonderful subscribers, those that have reached out to me on Facebook. Wow, you guys are really, really wonderful. I'm so proud of you guys. Okay, I wish you all the best. I'm gonna stop here for now. Bye.